Developed by Wells Wilder, the parabolic SAR refers to a price and time-based trading system. Wilder called this the parabolic time price system. SAR stands for stop and reverse, which is the actual indicator used in the system. SAR trails price as the trend extends over time. The indicator is below prices as they're rising and above prices as they're falling. In this regard, the indicator stops and reverses when the price trend reverses and breaks above or below the indicator. Wilder introduced the parabolic time price system in his 1978 book New Concepts in Technical Trading Systems. This book also includes the Relative Strength Index, RSI, Average True Range, ATR, and the Directional Movement Concept, ADX. Despite being developed before the computer age, Wilder's indicators have stood the test of time and remain extremely popular. SAR follows price and can be considered a trend-following indicator. Once a downtrend reverses and starts up, SAR follows prices like a trailing stop. The stop continuously rises as long as the uptrend remains in place. In other words, SAR never decreases in an uptrend and continuously protects profits as prices advance. The indicator acts as a guard against the propensity to lower a stop loss. Once price stops rising and reverses below SAR, a downtrend starts, with SAR above the price. SAR follows prices lower like a trailing stop. The stop continuously falls as long as the downtrend extends. Because SAR never rises in a downtrend, it continuously protects profits on short positions.